Hi everyone, just want to give you an update on the best investments for 2021. The best investment for 2021 is to invest in the S&P 500, which is the spiders, which holds the largest companies in the United States, and that includes Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, Facebook, Tesla, on and on. Those companies will continue to do well in 2021 as we move forward for recovery. As we are moving towards that recovery, these companies will be the leaders in returning better gains. This will have a very good diversification for you with 500 largest companies in the United States, and this will be a lazy investment for 2021. It's a no-brainer. If you're investing in the S&P 500, the current dividend yield is around 1.62%. It has gone down a little bit because we added Tesla into the S&P 500. As we're looking forward, what you need to do is buy the spiders January 1st, or you can purchase it now and hold on for the year. My general expectation is that the market would return between 20 to 25%. That's actually more than anybody's current price targets. The reason for this 20 to 25% increase in the S&P 500 over the next 12 to 18 months is that there are trillions of dollars that are being printed, and those dollars are now going into the economy, and that will create inflation. And that's something that you will see when you go into the grocery store, your supermarkets, your department stores, and the things you purchase on a daily basis. With those increases in prices, the real assets, like the companies like Apple, Microsoft, and other largest companies in this S&P 500, like Procter & Gamble, Eli Lilly, Pfizer, all those companies will also increase in value because they're going to be generating a substantial amount of cash because prices are going to go up and their costs are going to remain the same. With that increase, you will see the S&P 500 around 4,500 end of next year, which is a substantial gain from the 3,700 today. If you want to be an investor, not an active day trader, you should be purchasing the S&P 500. It's a no-brainer, and it's one of the best investments if you have ever made over the last decade, over the last 20 years, or since 1957. S&P 500 average around 9 to 10% return year after year, and you should be investing in S&P 500 instead of any other investment. If you're a day trader or you want to have some sort of a different kind of investment, then you should be looking to invest in individual stocks, which I do not recommend, as sometimes those individual investments will do substantial return, or you can have a downfall, which is a 30 to 50% drop depending on individual company decisions and their profitability or any other headline news. What I would recommend everybody as a lazy investor, the first investment is if you can even buy 1 share, 100 shares, or even 500 shares of the S&P 500. Currently is trading the spiders at $367 to $369, and a good investment is to purchase those things on a laddered basis if you have a substantial amount of money, maybe month by month. But if it's an investment less than $37,000 or below that, you should be investing and purchasing 100 shares, which would cost that amount. But if you're an investor that is looking to invest for the long term, whether it's retirement or starting for retirement, or an investor just starting at the age of 18, 19, it's better to invest in this index fund because that holds the largest 500 companies in the United States, and you have the best opportunity for the growth of the American economy and its resilience throughout the years. without investing in other speculative buys that would not give you the return. I'm going to give you an update in about a day or two on the next best investments for 2021. But if you're looking to purchase, the best investment right now is to purchase the S&P 500. SP5 at the New York Stock Exchange, it's an ETF, it's a unit trust, and you should be purchasing that. And that will be something that you will never regret 5 years, 10 years, 20 years down the road. As the economy improves and profitability improves, we will have a substantial return in 2021 and going forward on average basis between 8 to 10%. I am not an investment advisor or an investment guru. You should do your own research. This is a recommendation and not an investment advice. If you have investment advisors, you should be looking into your own investment advisor to get your recommendation. And if you don't, please do your research purchasing anything. I wish you a blessed 2021 and a prosperous 2021 and a substantial return on your investments. SPY NYSE. Purchase it when the markets opens on Monday. Thank you. If you like this video and want more information of investments coming forward, please press the subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. All the best. See you in another update in a few days.